Welcome, dear children, to the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Now, as we know that before the leave, we have started the topic science and technology in our general knowledge subject, right? Now, today we will continue the same with the page number 58, Great Inventions. Now, let us begin with it, right? Right. Now, great inventions, in that, first of all, we will know what do you mean by invention. Okay. Now, what is an invention? The action or process of making or designing something new for the first time. Now, uh, for example, first time there was somebody had made a television. We will learn in this who has made the television, but that person has designed and he has made the television. It was first time, right? So that is called invention. And the person who is inventing it is called inventor, right? He is called inventor. जिसने बनाया है उसको इन्वेंटर बोलते हैं, और जो बनाया है, सपोज विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जॉन लॉज बेड. ही हैज़ इन्वेंटेड टेलीविजन. तो फर्स्ट टाइम किसने बनाया? जॉन लॉज बेड. उन्होंने टेलीविज़न बनाया, ठीक है. देन टेलीविज़न इज़ एन इन्वेंशन. और किसने बनाया? J.L. बेड ने. तो वो इन्वेंटर कहलाएगा, ठीक है. दैट पर्सन इज इन्वेंटर. सो टुडे वी विल सी द डिफरेंट इन्वेंशंस एंड हाउ डू दे वर्क एंड हु हैज़ developed it, okay, who has made or designed that for the first time, right? Now see your page number 58. In this you can see it is written the great inventions. Identify these inventions and write their name with the help of a Doraemon. Now Doraemon is giving us help box. Also match them with their inventors and fill in the correct letters in the box, right? Now the first picture, all right, is the television. You can see there are 6 other pictures given, on 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. They all are inventors, okay. Between the first time who has invented it, that pictures are there, okay. Our new inventions, first time which were this all were invented, and who has invented is given on the sides. The inventors names are given on the sides, okay. Now first one is television. Now you see the television shape, and that when it was invented it was very big in size, okay. And also there was a small body behind the. Now we are having a slim, very thin and light monitors, televisions, right? But when it was invented it was very big, and at the back of it there was a big body. So first time the who has invented is J.L. Baird, right? He has invented the television. Nowadays, then there were so many changes coming up by other people. They have made different changes, and now we have a slim LED and LCD TVs, right? Televisions. But the first time who has invented was J.L. Baird, okay. Then second one, see, it is a telescope. Now what is the use of telescope? Let us see in the on the internet. I have just found for you something. See, this is the figure of a telescope. For what does it is used? It is used to see the far things, okay. And there is a special glass over here with the help of which you can see the far distance things. Most of them are used for the space, okay. Telescope, they use it for the looking all up in the space. So this is a telescope B, this figure, and it is invented by the inventor Galileo, right? C, refrigerator. James Harrison, he is the first person who has invented the refrigerator. As we all know, refrigerator now, right? It keeps our things cold, and it preserves our things, right? Like milk is there, vegetables are there, it preserves for some period of time. Okay, so this first time it was introduced by James Harrison. He is a person who has invented the refrigerator for the first time. Then comes telephone. Telephone is been invented by Graham Bell. Telephone, for what does we use? We use to talk with our friends, we used to chat with our friends, some important message if we want to put. The first time it was a telephone and invented by Graham Bell. Then electric bulb, Thomas A Edison, he has invented this electric bulb. Okay, next one is steam engine. Now what happened, there is a small this one, when he was sitting, he was boiling something, water or something. At that time when water was boiling, there was a lid cover on it, and with the pressure of the steam, the vapors, that lid was just jumping up like dub 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 like that. Okay, from there he has got an idea, so he has made a steam engine for the train. So how the means for moving the train. Now with the help of the pressure of the water vapor, sorry, the steam used to the engine used to work, and it used to move the this train. It was allowed to move the train. Okay, so that was known first time in the train. There used to be a steam engine. With the help of the vapors, it used to give the pressure, and the engine used to move. Used to move the vehicle. Okay, so means the train. So steam engine. Nowadays we have different engines in our car and all that, right? The first time it was introduced, that was known as a steam engine, and he was Mr. James Watt. Okay, this exercise I am going to put in the ERP just for your introduction and your knowledge. I have put up this page. Now first time aeroplane also, there is written no best. Oliver Wrights and Wilbur Wrights, they are also called Wright brothers, WRIGHT, Wright brothers. Okay, they were the two brothers who has invented the aeroplane called Flyer 1. And it you not used to fly too much high up in the sky, but some level of the from the earth, little high from the level of the earth, but they were the first one to introduce the aeroplane. Okay, they are also called the Wright brothers. Okay, so this page is just about the inventors and inventions. Next page is about the different pollution in our atmosphere, right? As we know, there is a noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, right? Traffic congestion means lots of traffic in the road. Sometimes somebody comes by the wrong side and they all chock up the whole road, right? So that is called traffic congestion. Flood is there because of this global warming. Flood, volcano eruption is there, right? About our environment, it's most of the surroundings. For that, what we have to do, we have to plant more trees, right? Here are some pictures of the different pollutions which are there on the earth. Okay, now you can see the first one, all the cars are giving out the carbon dioxide, right? First picture is of air pollution. In the second one, you can see the picture of flood. Flood means excess of water. When the water level rises in the sea, what happens, that rivers and which are flowing by nearby the city or a town, if the water level of the river increases, what happen then? It will start flowing away other sides. So whichever at the low area, whichever is nearby, that water enters in the field and some houses also. So what is that called? Flood. Okay, so excess of water, when water level rises and it take out its way to, it comes in the cities and all that. In the houses also it comes, that water level when it is raised in the river. So that is called a flood. Okay, Third picture is of wildlife, right? Wildlife, wild animals we find in the jungle. Yes, lion, tiger, deer, they all we find it in the jungle, so that is called wildlife, right? Then it is population. See the population, the largest country in the world who is having the highest population just now is China, then is India, second is India in the population. Okay, then you can see a lady is just closing the ears. Why? Because it is a lot of noise when the plane is taking off, right? So she is closing her ears, so that is a noise pollution. Volcanic eruption, volcano is there more whenever it is too much high, it will just come out and it starts flowing, right? Even it burns the jungles also. So this is called volcanic eruptions. You might have studied in the science what is volcano, right? Then a boy is sitting in the garden. It is showing the picture of environment. See, the environment is so beautiful, but we have to make it more beautiful and safe by planting more trees. Yes. Then it's a picture of traffic congestions. Okay, means too much of lots of traffic, when then all will blow the hand, so air then noise pollution is there. Too much vehicles are there, then air pollution, because it gives out the carbon dioxide, right? So this is a traffic congestion. You know that in some cities they have made alternate days traffic, odd and even numbers and all that. Why? Because to see that there is the level of the polluted air gets low. Okay, to make it low, this type of different rules have been implemented by the government, so that the air pollution is less, how much we can try. Then comes water pollution, all the dirty chemicals and all the dirty things we all dump into the river and sea, right? What happens? The water get polluted, the water animals, aquatic animals, they are now dying. Some of the species are not found also. So what we have to do, we have to keep our clean water, so that aquatic animals are also, they can live, and even this polluted water is harmful to us also, right? So we need to keep our atmosphere clean. Dump all your things in the dustbin. We should not throw the dust here and there, right? So this is our earth chapter, which is related to our atmosphere, our environment. What are the different pollutions, what are the it is just showing the different pictures for that. But there is one solution. We have to keep our atmosphere clean. How we keep our house clean, right? I know you all are good children, you all throw in the dustbin. The same thing you have to carry everywhere, right? If you go out somewhere, if you are eating something, throw it in the dustbin. You all follow that rule. For that you all are very good children, so you follow that, right? So same thing is in the chapter in your page number 59 about the earth. Okay, then comes a puzzle. In the puzzle you see you have got some clues to write. Okay, solve the crossword with the help of a clues. Please keep your book open so that we can relate with my video. Okay, across and down. Across means the sleeping line and down means standing line. Fine. Across means sleeping line and down means standing line. I would just like to tell you about a three-wheeler. Okay, across three-wheeler means you can see this is across three-wheeler, and which picture is given here? Auto rickshaw, right? So you write here auto rickshaw. The answer key I am going to put up in the ERP, but you can write if you want to. Here it is auto rickshaw. Okay, across. Now if I want to finish first across, then we will complete that. Then second is a light sailing boat. A light sailing boat across. See, sleeping line. It is called yacht. Okay, it is just similar to boat only. It looks like a boat only. It is a one type of boat, but very small. So this is a light sailing boat. Sailing means when the boat is on the in the water. Okay, when it is moving here, moving for fishing, or it is moving for your ride. So one type of a sailing of a boat. We say I was sailing on a boat. Okay, right? I was moving on my vehicle. I'm sitting on my vehicle and I'm going somewhere. I'm on my vehicle. In the same way, when you are in a boat or a ship, it is called sailing. SAILING, sailing of a boat. Okay, so that is yacht, YACHT, the small boat. This two-wheeler does not need petrol. I'm reading third one. Okay, this two-wheeler does not need petrol. There is only one thing, that is a bicycle. Okay, so across here, see the picture of a bicycle is given. This is a bicycle. Then fourth one, it has a fan like blades and can fly in the air. See, this is a blade and it can fly in the, so this is a helicopter, right? It is a helicopter. Then now we will go to down here, a two-wheeler. Now down, so standing line. Two-wheeler is a motorcycle. Then it is a big boat. Okay, down, so it is a ship. It is SHIP. SHEEP is a animal. SHIP, ship. So it is a big boat is there, big ship. Okay, then third one is farmers use this. Okay, so it is this down one. It is called tractor, right? Now see, read this, know the best. In a very cold places like Alaska and Greenland, people use dogs to carry things from place to place. Okay, now let us, I would like to show you that picture from the internet, that how do the people, they carry the dog sledge. Okay, let us see that. Fine. Dog cart, let us see. See, like this. Okay, see, the person is standing on it. We will see on a huge one. See here, what it is called, sledge dog. A sledge dog is a dog trained and used to pull the most commonly sled over a snow. This way, see, this way the cart is there and they are used to carry the things from one place. This is in the cold area especially. Okay, so this way they carry. Sledge dogs, they are being trained for this, right? So here, this is your page number 58, 59 and 60. Thank you for today. I will put up this in the ERP answer key tomorrow. Okay, thank you children and have a nice day. Okay, keep yourself healthy